little bit of videos, like as you can see here, is something which is very great, and the bunch of people here, it's quite very amazing, and people are so excited for the race, and me too, I'm so excited because I've never seen a drag race before. I've just seen it on the movies, so it would be very quite interesting if I could just share with you guys the place here. So race inakaribia kuanza saa ngapi?
Yeah.
Race inakaribia kuanza saa ngapi?
It's about saa 10 hivi fresh.
Saa 10.
Yeah.
Saa 10 hivi.
Yeah.
So we have like couple of 1 hour left.
Yeah.
To be very amazing, right?
It's gonna be very lit, man.
Okay, how do you find it here? The weather and everything?
The weather is very cool. Everybody's gonna race at very great day. Itakuwa so cool.
Nice.
Yeah,
That's
man.
great, man. That's great. So
we are waiting for 254s.
yeah, man.
You know they're
Yeah,
great.
because we already seen that TZ what we got, right?
Yeah.
Now we are seeing what Kenya what they have.
We got George Bed.
Yeah.
We got a lot of very good competitors, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good
So
drivers, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, man.
Man, I'm so excited seeing you.
Yeah, me
and
too, man.
it's very great. So I think what's up, bro? I can see you catching that.
Yeah,
good,
man.
good.
Kilimanjaro baridi.
Yeah, my nigga.
Yeah, man.
I say vipi.
Fresh cool.
How's everything?
Good.
How do you find it here?
Cool, bro.
And how's the race getting started?
Very nice. We're having fun here.
Yeah, okay, nice. Race inakaribia kuanza mida gani?
Haijaanza tu. I thought imeanza, bro.
No, not yet, man. The race didn't start. Yeah. It's great,
Yeah, Miller, the Don Corleone, Kambarage Nyerere.
Yeah.
What's good, man? What do you know?
Man, how's the race? How do you find it? Man, I can get you a little bit of okay.
Check this out. Check this out.
Okay.
Shida.
I saw my own idea.
Shida.
You know what?
Haina shida sana, songea sana. The race is so good,
And me, I have okay, man. I have a question for the first race. You remember Neema race with that dude? I don't know the dude, but the race went, man, like everybody was hyped. So
the performance, there's a bit wrong with the gears. Number 5, a bit wrong with the curve.
Okay, nice. So we're expecting on the next race, perhaps in a couple of months, upcoming one, which you guys will make it happen. It will be height, right?
It's gonna take some time because there's a heap which is getting fixed. So maybe after 3 months we can have another drag race.
Okay.
It'll take time.
Nice. Race inaendaje?
Nenda poa sana mwana.
Umeionaje race ya leo?
Good sana mwana.
Race ya kwanza wamezingua wamepatia.
Wameeleweka.
Safi, race ya pili.
Sio mbaya sana. Ndio magari.
Sawa. Na nature leo umeionaje mazingira? Maana mazingira yako fresh. Safi.
Watu wamepokea sana. Unajua ni sema kwamba tuna have fun na watu tofauti na change idea.
Quite precise, which is good. Okay, thank you, bro, for the interview. Such an amazing kind of stuff about people that are very excited.
Yeah,
And
because it's like something that we do not.
and you, are you excited?
Yeah, I am excited. I am a car enthusiast. I like this thing. I like these thrills.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah,
So
it's good for you.
So what's your thoughts about TZ in Kenya? We have seen that TZ have been going a little bit down.
It's no.
Oh yeah, that's how it
Just
is.
one car and that's just another car. That's the car which has the problem with the transmission.
Oh.
There's many other Tanzanian cars that are ready.
So we are waiting for something which will happen, which is amazing, right? Okay. Okay. So, what are you telling my people? You have to tell them something. Okay. Okay, all of you, I hope you guys heard Sharif what he said. He said that everything will be amazing because of the two cars just went a little bit down, but on other cars they will be very amazing. So let us wait and let us see.
There's a lot of fast cars.
Yeah, and there are a lot of fast cars.
Just a few.
How you doing? So how are you like feeling on the race? Like it's you're going on the race, right? Which is very great, right? So we're expecting something amazing, right?
Hope so.
Yeah, it will be amazing.
Yes.
Okay, nice. Okay, best of luck. Finally! What we were expecting is about to happen. So we wish them, all of them, best of luck because it's amazing. Hey, what's up everybody? Actually today I found somebody amazing I just ever on planet Earth. So today we go ask her some few questions and she will just answer them. So what's your name?
Neema.
Okay, Neema. I've seen you driving for the first race and you did a great job, but something had happened there, right? So can you let everybody know what had happened, or?
What had happened?
Yeah, what had happened to the race? Because we saw for the first time you went very great. It was amazing. But for the few kind of seconds, something just had happened. What was it?
I have a problem with my gearbox. So gear number 5 doesn't really work. So that's why you saw the other one first. Otherwise.
That's amazing. So what do you have to tell my people that for the next race will be such an amazing race?
Yes, I can't wait for the next race because I'm going to work on my gearbox in like a week or so. Then I'll be back on the road and I'm going to
do something amazing, right?
Yeah.
Nice. Actually, Neema, I'm really happy meeting you. And in a couple of days, you can imagine, I was like seeing you only on the road, and I was like, man, that's amazing. I just need to tell her that she's doing something great. Actually, this is very amazing, and it's nice meeting you, and it's very great. You did an amazing, kind of great on the race. Yeah. So we're expecting something great, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Neema, and I think we'll be seeing each other, perhaps each other on the next race, and you'll do an amazing kind of stuff. Okay, thank you. So we have the race here, the man who did something amazing. So bro, here I have a little bit some few questions from there. Actually, it's a question kwamba we saw you on the first time you went for the race and it was something which is amazing, and perhaps something had happened on the race, ndio? Hiyo kitu ilo happen ilikuwa ni nini? What had made you let down and you're a little bit like slowing down? Tunakuwait tutupe jibu. Ilikuwa fresh au next time utatupa a full answer?
No,
ilikuwa fresh, lakini tuliona wakati unarudi you did a great job because everybody was excited there, sindio? Lakini we are waiting for another second round. You did amazing kind of stuff, sindio? But what do you have to tell my people? una kitu gani cha kuambia? Wasubirie next round ambayo itakuwa kuna next session ya Dragons, ndio? Wajipange. Amna no, asante sana ise, asante sana.
Karibu sana.
Can I put you on the vlog, bro? Okay, how you doing? Everything is great.
Yeah.
You saw the race and what's race?
The one with the G6?
Yeah, precisely.
The car is big, similar power range, but 50 is not engaging on the G6. So as soon as we get to 58, it's gone.
Okay, we're waiting for something which is very great and amazing, right? Okay, nice. Yo, what's up, bro?
Hey,
how you doing, man?
How you?
I'm good. Good, I'm great. Can I ask you some few questions so we can put you on the vlog? Okay. The first question goes like this. How do you find the race? Like,
The race was good. Longer than what we used to in Kenya.
nice.
The race was good. Enjoyed it.
Okay. And your competitor, the other competitor, how what's your opinion to him?
He has a very fast car. On all rolling starts, he actually won. On launches, I won. So he has a fast car. He has a fast.
Nice. We saw the race.
Yes.
I captured the race.
Yes.
It was very amazing. We saw how the things, there are like flashing lights over there.
Yes.
Very nice. So thank you, bro, and thank you very much. And we hope that we can see each other on the next race, right?
That's fine.
So what's your thoughts and what do you tell my people?
Just to keep watching the vlogs and next time we'll see next time. Next time we'll come
With the great stuff,
faster
right?
guys and,
Yeah. Nice.
Thank you.
So I have another last question. We saw the movie, we saw in the movie Fast and the Furious, we see many racing, right? What's up with you guys if you collaborate with Tanzania so as you can make a little bit good movie about racing and all that, so as people they can see that this is something which is possible. Even Africa, we gotta do something amazing, right? So what's you up to? What's you up to?
I think that's a good idea. If the guys for the car groups in Kenya and Tanzania can meet up, that will actually be an amazing idea.
Yeah, you guys, you should a little bit collaborate and bring something to the table, which is very amazing, right?
We should have unity. But the bad thing, people who race cars never have that. Once we get the unity that those guys have back in the States, that will be good.
Okay, nice. Thank you, brother, and I hope we'll see each other on the next race.
No problem. That's
But you guys, Kenya, you did an amazing job.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Umeona gap kwa sababu hii gari waga natoa gap kubwa sana. Lakini gap yako was good. Yani
wacha clutch ipoe. Give us 1 hour. The clutch to cool down and then we'll do it. Inanuka acha ipoe.
Bro, gari yako ni nzuri. Inaonyesha ushindani, ni nzuri. Ni nzuri. Gari inaonyesha ushindani.
finally the race is over and everybody's excited, and I'm excited too because man, it's amazing. I kind of like it, and yeah, that's dope. And right now I'm heading to the car, so as you can just leave this yard, and yeah, it's such an amazing kind of place, and everybody was excited. So that's what's up. So thank you guys for watching. If you find this video very interesting, don't hesitate to drop a thumbs up. If you find this video not that interesting, let me know in the comments down below what's your thoughts. And another kind of stuff, if you didn't subscribe on YouTube channel, make sure you do it because we'll be doing it big, amazing, and all of you love it. That's what's up. So thank you guys. I'm signing out. Peace.